Hey Mason, hey Theo. Hi everybody, it's Nana. Tonight I thought I'd read another book. Well, I thought I'd read this book called The Best Dog in the World by Miriam Moss and Jutta. No, it's nothing like hugging your dog. The best dog in the world. Oh, there's a cat and a rat. All right. In a small street on a high hill stands two houses, side by side. Henry lives with his mum and dad in one house. Harvey lives with his grandad in the other. Is he in the sandpit? I think he's in the sandpit and the dog's on the other side. Harvey is a big dog who pretends to be brave. He barks loudly and guards the gate. But really, he's scared of the postman, thunderstorms, and even cats. Most of all, Harvey is scared of children. When Henry visits his granddad, Harvey shuts himself in his bedroom. Oh, the silly duffer. Henry is a little boy who also pretends to be brave. He climbs trees, walks along walls, and swings higher than anyone else. But really, he's scared of monsters, getting lost, and the dark. But most of all, Henry is scared of dogs. When Grandad visits Henry, Harvey stays at home. I was always a bit scared of the dark. I think a lot of kids are scared of the dark. One day, on Grandad's birthday, Mum made a picnic and they all got into the car. Henry looked out the window. Harvey looked on the other side. At the top of the hill, Grandad parked the car. "Here we are," he said. Henry and Harvey jumped out and raced around the car. They bumped right into each other. They took one look and shot off in the opposite direction. Bonk. It's a bit interesting that they live so close and they're scared of each other. Mum and Dad laid out the picnic while Harvey explored. "Come and get it," shouted Dad, just as a gust of wind blew the napkins away. "Henry!" called his mother as the sky grew dark. "Harvey!" called Grandad as the first spots of rain plopped onto the tablecloth. But the wind snatched their voices away, and then it poured. Wow, look at those big black clouds raining. Wow. Henry was down at the bottom of the hill watching puddles grow. Crack! A flash of lightning hit the sky. That's a bit scary. Harvey raced to a small barn nearby. The door creaked shut behind him. Look at me peeking from behind the book, a bit like Harvey peeking out the door. That's how I can see what's going on. Henry stood in the dark, his heart thumping. He reached out and he felt his way along the wall. Something moved. Henry froze. A dark head and two eyes appeared. Dong, dong, dong. Boom! Thunder crashed overhead. Henry jumped. The thing near him whimpered, and the whole barn was lit up with a flash of lightning. Harvey stared at Henry, and Henry stared at Harvey. Harvey was trembling, so Henry spoke into the dark. I'm scared too. And slowly he stretched out his hand towards the dog. At first, Harvey shrank away, but then he crept back and licked the hand gently. Very slowly, Harvey moved closer and then closer to Henry. Wow, they are being brave. They must be very scared, because we know how scared of dogs he is. He must be more scared of the dark and lightning. All around the storm raged while Henry stroked Harvey. Soon Harvey's head was resting in Henry's lap. Henry sighed, breathing in the warm dog smell. And no. Wow, must be nice to have a friend in there in that terrible storm. And when the storm was over, that's how Grandad found them, all curled up, fast asleep in the straw. No. Now, when Henry visits Harvey, Harvey bowls him over. They could visit every day. They live next door to each other. Crazy. And when Harvey visits Henry, Henry lifts his feathery ear and reminds him that he's the best dog in the whole world. The whole wide world. You're the best dog in the whole wide world. No. No. Spud's the best dog in our world, isn't he? Spud and Dodge. Spud's auntie's dog, isn't it? Well, that was an interesting book. What two brave souls there were. He was really brave, wasn't he? It's a bit scary in the dark. Lots of things are scary, aren't they? Sometimes spiders and insects are scary. Sometimes the dark is scary. Sometimes going to school when you've had a day off is scary. Sometimes not seeing your mum is scary. There's heaps of scary things, isn't there? You just have to Stay calm and everything will be okay. Everything was okay for them, wasn't it? Even though it was pretty terrifying. Anyway, I love you guys. I miss you heaps. Thanks for listening to my book, or this book. Kisses from Nana. And there's a big one for you. And another one. Love you. Bye.